A place where you can enjoy, relax, and explore. Let's go!
Whether you are looking to relax and unwind on the resort, explore the local area. Hillwood Resort has something for everyone, with stunning location and great accommodation.
The staff are very helpful and accommodating.
This resort is the ultimate destination for a memorable vacation. This is a perfect place where you can enjoy and spend your time with your family or friends and create an unforgettable experience if you go here in Hillwood Resort. It is a great place, clean pools and surroundings. It has 5 pools with different depth from 2 feet to 12 feet. Perfect for occasion and family gatherings. This pool is for children or person within the 3 feet above height, which they can relax while enjoying the cold water and hot sun. They have also lifeguard at resort that plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and enjoyment of guests. Their skills, knowledge, and dedication are essential for preventing accidents, injuries, and providing a safe and fun environment for everyone. The pool benefits from clean water source from the mountain, eliminating the need for artificial cleaning methods. This natural spring contributes to the cleanliness and appeal of the Hillwood pool. The accommodation provides comfortable beds, clean linens, and all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. The accommodation also provides nipa hut tents for a unique and convenient stay.
These traditional Filipino huts are made from natural materials and offer a rustic charm that is both cozy and inviting.
Great ambience where you can enjoy the nature and breathtaking air. The view of the mountains from the resort is one of its most special features. It is a sight that will stay with you long after you have left, and a reminder of the beauty and power of nature. If you are looking for a place to relax, unwind, and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors, the Hillwood Resort is the perfect choice.
The resort are very affordable for prices. The view of the mountains and kindness of the staff will surely make you want to go back to this amazing place. Perfect for special occasion and family gatherings.
So what are you waiting for? Come and discover the beauty of Hillwood Resort, only here in Cuyapa, Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija.
So what are you waiting for? Come and discover the beauty of Hillwood Resort, only here in Cuyapa, Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija.